Are you ready? Let's see. On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I am super excited because I have a brand new garden space and my mind is just dreaming up of all the things that I can do. All right, come on. I'm gonna go out and show you what my new space is. Well, first, let's talk about what my old space was. I gardened out of grow bags. And I had them like on the side of my house. I had a small little porch that I often kept some on, or where I did a lot of my prep work. I really couldn't keep plants there because it was shaded. I didn't have sun. So I kept some of my grow bags like right beside the garage, right where the tree is. And I did all of this because the community that I stayed in then, it's like, even though it has houses, my house was a detached townhouse. It's called a bungalow. So it was not connected to anybody else's bungalow, but the issue is the land outside of it did not belong to us. So we couldn't do whatever we wanted to with it. And typically, if you did like little stuff that kept it out of the way of the lawn care company, they didn't say anything to you. So that's basically why I was really growing out of bags, because I didn't really have anywhere else to grow. So now I am super excited. Wait until you guys see the potential that I am working with. All right, come on, let's go. Well, wait, let me put on the coat because it is kind of cold outside. I have on a sweater, but it is that cold outside. So, all right. I'm gonna zip us up here. But yeah, I am so excited to get started with my spring garden and just a brand new place with a lot less restrictions. All right, here we go. Okay, guys, before I show it, are you ready? Let's see, on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Look up here. Look at all of this potential. All right, let's go on the side of the house over here. So we have all of this. Still possibly could do some grow bags on this side, up over there. All right, let's go back around the other way. It's so much room to work with, right? And then here we go, right here. So I got to figure out like what direction the sun comes and sets at, but you should also see it from above. All right, I'm gonna show you what it looks like from above. This is actually being shot from my daughter's room, and it's just so much space to work with. All right, guys, so what do you think? Isn't it amazing? I am so ecstatic. You guys just do not know how happy I am, how excited I am. Like, I have just been thinking about all the different things that I want to plant. I definitely have been into like researching about tinctures and all of that good stuff. So now, whereas I hadn't before, I'm thinking about an herb garden. I just fermented garlic and honey for the first time on December the 3rd. So I've been burping it and so forth. And it's just a little small amount, but I am so excited about being able to grow my own vegetables, herbs, and roots and so forth, and then make my own medicine. I think like that is just like my plan for the next couple of years is to just to gain knowledge, having the infrastructure to grow things. Like I may never like grow 100% of our food, right? But definitely having that knowledge that gives me security. One, my health. I want to do a lot of preventive things. Like there's so much I don't know about natural medicines and herbs and all of that good stuff. So I want to start learning about that, and I want to do more with that, instead of relying on over-the-counter meds like cough syrups and all of that stuff that we know do not work. So Anyway, you guys, let me know what you think. I tell you, I am so excited. I am over the moon and back. I am just so grateful for this next year and to start my spring off. So, all right, guys, you let me know what you think about the space. And if you have any ideas from what I was able to show you guys, if you have any ideas, please let me know. And until the next time, bye.